Intuition is a powerful tool that can help guide us towards the things we truly desire in life. The law of attraction states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on and give energy to, and our intuition can help us navigate the path towards those desires. Intuition is our inner knowing, our gut feeling, and our innate wisdom. It's that little voice inside of us that tells us what feels right and what doesn't. When it comes to the law of attraction, intuition can help us to recognize the opportunities and signs that are leading us towards our desires. For example, let's say you have been visualizing and affirming that you want to travel to a certain destination. You may start to notice signs and opportunities that are leading you in that direction. Perhaps you come across a cheap flight deal, or a friend invites you to join them on a trip to that destination. These are all signs from the universe that your desires are manifesting. However, it's important to note that intuition can also guide us away from things that are not in alignment with our desires. If something doesn't feel right, it may be a sign that it's not the right path for us. Trusting our intuition in these situations can help us avoid unnecessary obstacles and disappointments. So, how can we tap into our intuition to manifest our desires? It starts with being present and mindful. When we are present in the moment, we are better able to listen to our intuition and notice the signs and opportunities around us. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help us to cultivate this presence and awareness. Another way to tap into our intuition is through journaling. Writing down our thoughts and feelings can help us to process our emotions and gain clarity on what we truly desire. When we are clear on our desires, it's easier for our intuition to guide us towards them. Finally, it's important to trust our intuition and take action when we receive guidance. This may mean taking a risk, stepping outside of our comfort zone, or making a decision that feels scary. But when we trust our intuition, we are aligning ourselves with our desires and allowing the law of attraction to work its magic. In conclusion, intuition plays a crucial role in the law of attraction. By tapping into our inner knowing and following our intuition, we can recognize the signs and opportunities that are leading us towards our desires. So, start cultivating your presence and awareness, journaling to gain clarity, and trusting your intuition to take action towards your desires. The universe is waiting to support you every step of the way.